everyone, welcome back to Bun's drawing channel. Today's challenge is going to be fun. We'll be drawing a super cute and delicious French fries. Have you got your paper and pen ready? Get ready to create a beautiful picture with Bun. Let's begin. To draw beautiful and appealing French fries, follow Bun's steps. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you an interesting story about French fries. Would you like to hear it? If so, let's draw and listen to this fascinating story together. In a small kitchen always filled with laughter, there was a very cute potato chip named Milo. Milo was golden yellow, crispy, and emitted a truly enticing aroma. Along with Milo were many other potato chips, all neatly arranged in a pretty little box. Milo was happy because he was always loved by everyone. Every time he was fried, Milo would hear the delighted wow sounds of the children. But sometimes, Milo wondered, I wonder if there's something special about me, or if I'm just a fun snack. One day, Milo was taken to an outdoor picnic. The weather was beautiful that day, with gentle sunshine and a cool breeze. A group of children were sitting together on a mat, chatting and opening their box of potato chips. When the box was opened, Milo sensed everyone's excitement. One child picked up Milo, dipped it lightly in ketchup, and took a bite. The crisp sound made everyone laugh happily. Delicious, the little one exclaimed. The others also took turns enjoying it. Each time, Milo saw more smiles appear. Some ate while telling stories, others giggled. The atmosphere became warm and joyful. At that moment, Milo realized that he was not just a food item. Milo was a part of those joyful moments, something that brought people closer together. Even though he was gradually eaten up, Milo wasn't sad at all. On the contrary, Milo felt very happy because he had brought joy to everyone. From then on, whenever he was in his little box, Milo always happily waited, because Milo knew that with just a little crispness and a little warmth, he could make a day truly joyful. And Milo understood that the greatest thing wasn't how long he existed, but how many smiles he had brought to people. Did you enjoy the story Bun just told? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like so Bun has more motivation to tell even more great stories. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively and eye-catching. Let's all read out the names of the drawings aloud with Bun while we draw to make the atmosphere more fun and exciting.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, diamond, rhombo, heart shape, forma di corazon, rectangle, rectangulo.
Awesome! We've finished the picture. Have you all finished your drawings? Quickly show them to your parents to get lots of compliments. And now, for the super fun part, the color selection spinning wheel game. Are you ready? If so, let's start.
Pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, blue, azul, blue, azul, blue, azul, blue, azul, blue, azul. Yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo. orange, Naranja. Orange. Naranja. Orange. Naranja. Orange. Naranja. Orange. Naranja. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura. Purple. Purpura.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3, start.
1. No. 2. Das. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis.
So, we now have 6 decorative shapes around the picture. What are those shapes and what colors are they? Let's read them aloud together with Bun. Let's explore and name each shape clearly and loudly.
Triangular. Triangulo. Square. Quadrado. Circle. Circulo. Heart shape. Form a decor zone. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Diamond. Rombo. Red. Rojo. Pink. Rosa. Blue. Azul. Green. Verde. Purple. Purpura. Yellow. Amarillo. Orange. Naranja.
Great, we finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends, and don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.